I'm just gonna put on some hand cream before I start because my hands are dry. Hello, so this is a very different video that I'm filming today. I'm going to be talking about my September favorites because I realized I had a lot of favorites in the month of September and I want to talk about them. So some of these favorites are makeup, some are food, and just things I use. So very first, I wanted to talk about this Groot mug. If you can see, it is so cute. I actually got this from a gift shop near where I stay, so I don't have a link to get it from anywhere. If I can find any similar mugs like this online, I will link them in the description box. This is definitely one of my favorite mugs. So my next favorite, you would think it's really weird, but it is this mobile stand, and this is the box that it came in. And usually what I do is I take my phone, let me just grab my phone. I take my phone and I keep it like this onto it, and I can keep it on any surface and watch videos with it. And I really love that because I used to try and keep my phone. I used to use other things to support my phone while I wanted to watch videos, but now with this stand I can actually watch the videos much easily, and I think that's amazing. So if you want to buy the stand, it actually sells on Amazon, so I will leave the links to whatever is available online on Amazon or wherever down in the description box. Moving on to the next items, I am going to be talking about my book sleeves. So this is one of the book sleeves that I got from Amazon, and I have two more. Just a second. So here you can see this, and then there's this one, and quite a few people have asked me where I got this from. So all these three book sleeves are actually from Amazon, and I will link them down in the video description. But I think these are just so cute, and they are by this brand called Books Etc. So yeah, if you want to buy them, you can find them down in the description, and I feel like the quality is so good. They are nice and thick, and they will make sure that your books are not damaged. So I feel like it's a must-have if you love books, and if you want to carry your books around wherever you go in your bag, you can ensure that they stay safe. So moving on, I have a few makeup items, and if you know me, you'd know that my favorite makeup items are lip items because I just love all the products, but I also love highlighters. Yeah, but this month I did go a little crazy with shopping because it was festive sale, and I bought a few products. So I'm just going to show you some of my favorite products. I've not used the other products, so I'll probably include those in the next favorites video. So one of my favorites has been this Nykaa Macaron Lip Balm. So as you can see, this is really cute, and you just open it like this, and there's lip balm in here, and it is in the shape of a macaron, and it's just so cute. It smells really good, and it's really moisturizing as well without being like too thick. And I also love the smell of this. It is in strawberry, and it's not a very long-lasting fragrance, but I really love how it's comfortable on the lips. It's not too slippery because I hate like too slippery lip balms. It's just moisturizing without being too apparent on the lips. And this is the packaging that the macaron came in. So this is the packaging, and once you take it out, you have your macaron lip balm. The next products are really cute. These are the lip tints by Etude House, and they are in the shape of a popsicle. As you can see, I got two of them, which is the red bean one and the apricot red one. So these are actually water gel tints, and I'm right now wearing one on my lip. So I'm wearing the apricot one on my lips, and it's a really natural lip tint. It doesn't really feel like much on your lips, but it's very moisturizing and it stains your lips, and it lasts for like 3 to 4 hours maybe. You do have to reapply it after you eat because it is quite a light formula, but they are so pigmented. I'll just open them up and show you. So this is the apricot red one, and then I have the red bean red. So the color code for this is PK004, and then this is OR205. These are the lip tints. They are just so cute. Okay, and I also wanted to show you these two lip tints by Etude House as well. These are the normal ones, and I bought them along with the popsicle ones, and they are also really cute. This is the jujube red, and then this is the sweet potato red, and I really like them, but I think my favorites are definitely the popsicle ones. Yep. The next item is this hand cream by Nykaa. So if you can see it, it is a pretty small hand cream, but this is in the fragrance Freesia and Vanilla, and it smells so good. I think it's like one of my favorite smells, and I'm wearing it right now on my hands, and it's just so good. I feel like just like eating it up, but I can't really eat it, but it's so good. Yeah, so, and it's also quite moisturizing. Like, I applied it a few minutes ago and my hands are quite soft, but I do think you need to reapply it. It is not going to stay, like, keep your hands soft like for the entire day or something like that, and it's, if you wash your hands, it's going to wash off. But I do think it's really cute, and it's really handy because winter is coming up and my hands are always dry for some reason, so that's the reason I got that. So now I'm going to be talking about some food items because I love food. So the very first, I wanted to talk about Country Bean coffee. Now this, I won't say it's exactly a September favorite. It's been a favorite all year long, but I've been loving this coffee. It just gives me the best buzz and the flavors are amazing. And these sell for like $3.20 per bottle, and I think it's way better than having a coffee in a coffee shop, and that's like $300 per cup. I mean, like, what? So it's better to just have these, you know. And this is in the flavor, this is in hazelnut, and then this is in caramel. And I do have another one that I got recently, which is choco orange, and I don't have it down here with me, but I'll probably put in a clip of the bottle in this video. And yeah, I think that these coffees are just amazing. Definitely, if you love coffee, you need to check these out. And sadly, these are actually over. If you can see the bottles, I finished them, but I probably plan on like buying refill pouches because they sell those online. The next favorite food item, if you know me, I love instant noodles, and I had to share with you my top favorite instant noodles. These are the Top Ramen instant noodles. This one is in Fiery Chili and this one is in Goji, and these are just so good. They are like my favorite go-to ramen noodles. I also love the chicken curry ones by Top Ramen. They're also really good. And yeah, if you've not tried out this brand in ramen noodles, you gotta try them, especially if you love spicy foods. You should really try the spicy noodles. They are my favorite. The last item in foods is these cookies. I found them recently in the supermarket, and I did not know that Nature Valley actually sells cookies, but these are the chocolate chip cookies, and I've been eating them for breakfast when I'm like, you know, going to work or something, and they are really good, and I really like the flavor. I don't know how long I'll love them because I do tend to switch foods a lot because I grow tired of them, because like I tend to eat a lot of the same food because I love it so much, and then I just like switch to something else. But yeah, I'm loving them right now. And those are probably all the food items because I haven't really tried anything new this month as much. But yeah, the last item I wanted to share with you is my favorite book of the month, which has been How to Be a Boss by Lilly Singh. If you watched my books I read in September video, I talked about this book in it, and it was one of like the most inspirational books I've read, and I loved it so much. I think Lilly Singh is so funny, and her book was no less. It was just filled with sass and at the same time with so much wisdom. And if you are looking for something to uplift you, I definitely recommend you to check out her book. So yep, that's it. Those are all of my September favorites. I guess let me know if you want me to share any other favorites, like maybe movies and songs. Though honestly, I did not watch as many movies in September, and I have been listening to a little bit of music but not a lot. I have been kind of obsessed with this one song lately. Is this song called No One? You can see this is one of the songs that I've been really obsessed with on Spotify for some reason. I'll probably link it down in the description box if you want me to. And then another song I've been really liking is this song You and Me. I don't know if I can play it in the video because I feel like I might get copyright strikes. So yeah, I'm not gonna play it here, but yep. I am really looking forward to making such more videos because I love sharing what I love with you guys, and a lot of you asked me about everything that I own and stuff, so I thought a favorites video is the best way to share it. Yeah, I'm gonna go now and edit this video and upload it because it's already the 4th of October. So yeah, I want to get this up. Bye, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe if you want to stay up to date with my videos, and click the bell button to stay notified whenever I upload. And yep, that's it. Bye.